Welcome to Rewilding the Artist's Culture of Care Nest Box. The resources contained in this Culture of Care Nest Box have been developed by Rewilding the Artist to help you weave a culture of care nest with someone you want to work with. Weaving a culture of care nest is about holding conversations, face-to-face or online, that help two or more people understand how to work together in an equitable and nurturing space physically and metaphorically. Spending an hour or two weaving a culture of care nest can help you build access, equity and well-being into the foundations of a working relationship between two or more people. Weaving your nest includes but goes beyond sharing access riders and practical details. Your Culture of Care Nest will help you to identify and work through any potential difficulties and to balance power between arts organisations, freelancers and funders, as well as between individuals. The process of weaving your nest, the conversations, and the insights, understanding and togetherness you generate through the process is more important than any resulting document or record of those conversations. We've found that weaving a culture of care nest is a complete joy. So how do you go about it? The Culture of Care Nest Box includes a framework of questions and materials to use in your nest building. The weaving and feathering materials include the Kindness Pledge, the Good Faith Agreement, working through difficulties, scenarios, and additional materials. These are just offerings, and you are invited to tailor all aspects of the questions and materials to suit your needs. You may wish to spend more or less time on certain aspects of your nest and may amend wording throughout. We recommend having at least an hour to weave your Culture of Care nest. You may wish to ask a third party, a facilitator for example, to assist your discussions. The most important thing is that you use the materials to stimulate discussion and understanding, rather than seeing it as a tick box exercise. Tick boxes don't make comfortable nests. How you record your conversations and the language in which you work is up to you. You can take notes, make an audio recording, which is easy if it's a Zoom session, draw or use some other creative process, or a combination of these things. It's recommended that you use your Culture of Care nest before any other work is started. This is because the nest is mostly about avoiding difficulties and how to deal with difficulties if they arise, and these could start early on in your work. So what's included in the Culture of Care nest box? The web page contains all the resources you need to create your own Culture of Care nest. The resources are provided for free thanks to funding from Arts Council Wales. It would be appreciated if you would consider giving a donation or choosing a subscription to enable the creation of further free and low-cost resources for artists and arts organisations and the wider work of Rewilding the Artist. Including on the webpage are a nest box agreement to download. This template includes an introduction together with a set of questions and options for you to work through. These are available in English ac yn Gymraeg. There's a standard freelance contract to download. This contract goes into more formal agreements that might complement your nest. Again, this is available in English and in Gymraeg. We've also provided some real-life examples to illustrate the kinds of conversation, the negotiations that you might have for each section of the nest agreement. There's a video for each section and one real-life written example of a completed nest. If you need more help, Rewilding the Artist can offer trained facilitators to help run a nest weaving session, online or face-to-face. Finally, the credits. The Culture of Care Nest Box has been created by Gaia Redgrave with the support of Arts Council Wales, organisational partners, collaborators and other individuals. The resulting documents have been developed from the findings of research, consultation, practice, testing and lived experience with the aim of supporting the development of a culture of care, improved access and wider equity within the arts. Gaia Redgrave would like to offer a special thanks and acknowledgement to Nick Cherryman for the Good Faith Agreement and the following who have contributed to the development of the culture of Cairnest: Arts Council of Wales, Johan Williams Fusar, Lindsay Colborne, Lisa Hudson, Carl Rosen, Utopias Bach, Katie Trent, Zen Redgrave, Morag Carmichael, Gina Biggs, Steph Shipley, and everyone in the Rewilding the Artist tribe.